Hi there, Stephen Cavaro, President and CEO of CC Stephen & Associates, better known to you as Dr. Static. Another Ask Dr. Static question came in and I wanted to share it with you. Customer asks, in clean room manufacturing, is room ionization or blowers and fans the best option? Wow, that's a good question. Answer, both, right? Really depends on what we're attacking. If we're in a clean room and we're mainly concerned with ESA, electrostatic attraction, I am a big fan of room ionization systems. Room ionization systems do a great job of suppressing static fields, mitigating those fields to levels where that ESA, the electrostatic attraction, can't help. Now, if you're battling both ESA and ESD, let's maybe semiconductor manufacturing, then we want to use both. Again, room ionization mitigates those static fields, keeping all those fields in that ESA down. But from the ESD potential, we need process ionizers. We need quick decays, tight balances from blowers, bars, fans. Those are great tools to be used inside cells or inside enclosures. But let's back up a little bit to our room ionization for medical device. There are going to be some processes that require process ionizers in incorporation of that room ionization. So they go hand in hand. If we need to deal with process ionization at a work level, and we need to stop sticking, or I can think of applications where we're doing calibrations of small little parts and the parts are sticking to the tweezers, those are really good applications for ionizing fans and ionizing blowers. But overall suppression, static mitigation from room ionization is a great tool. I want you to think of process ionizers, fans, and bars and blowers is that fire hose. In other videos, I've talked about that analogy where room ionization kind of represents the sprinkler systems in all of our buildings. When a fire happens, it suppresses that fire. But in the hot spots, we're going to need process ionizers, that fire hose to neutralize those charges. The other thing to keep in mind, and we talk about this in other blogs, particles in your room, all right, particles in your room are charged and they're bouncing around and hitting each other. And when that happens, they're not getting scrubbed from your clean room system. So room ionization helps from that, from an overall particle control, particle mitigation, room ionization is good. So again, answer is both, but rely on experts like CC Stevens and out there in the field are static experts to help you pick which is the better source of static mitigation for your application. Thanks for your question. Looking forward to next week's question. Follow us at www.ccsteven.com or www.drstatic.com. Call our office here, 805-658-0207, and I'm looking forward to next week's question.